So with the rotate category, we're looking at two different things here. We're looking at generating rotation, but also looking at resisting rotation. So some of the exercises involve having to resist rotation. So for example, if you do the shoulder taps, get into the press up position, when you take one hand off, gravity is obviously trying to pull that shoulder to the floor and you're having to resist it. So that's a really important capacity for us to develop, because a lot of times in life we've got to open a door. When you pull the door towards you, your shoulder is obviously naturally going to want to pull towards the door, but you're having to resist it. So being able to resist rotation is important, but also being able to generate rotation. So an example of generating rotation would be the Pallof twists. So for this, we're looking at, again, brace neutral spine, so that we get our spine in a good position first, and then we're looking to generate rotation from the core musculature. So we're not rotating the legs around each other, so we want to fix our pelvis, and then we're going to rotate our shoulders in this way, so the pelvis is staying fixed and our rib cage is rotating. We're generating rotation here. Or similarly, the Pallof press is an anti-rotation movement where I get into my brace neutral spine, I hold this here, then obviously as I push this away from me, there's an increased torque pulling my hands that way and I'm having to resist it. So if I do this, I'm constantly changing the amount of rotational force being applied to my torso, and I'm having to constantly adjust in order to resist that. So they're both important, so flip between some exercises that generate rotation and some that resist rotation, but keeping that neutral spine throughout.